We're about a month away from Apple's official iPhone 17 launch, and this year, it's shaping up to be huge. Not just because of a full redesign across the board, but because Apple's introducing an entirely new model, the iPhone 17 Air. And now, thanks to a wave of detailed leaks, we have a pretty clear idea of what the entire lineup will look like, from the Pro to the base model and that all-new lightweight Air. So let's break it all down: design, specs, camera upgrades, and what it all means for your next upgrade. Starting with the iPhone 17 Pro, leaks suggest Apple's ditching stainless steel for a refined aluminum glass hybrid chassis, something we haven't seen in years. The camera bump? Gone vertical. Now it's a clean, horizontal bar that houses the triple lens setup, LiDAR, and flash. It's minimal, elegant, and futuristic. MagSafe is also getting a visual refresh. Early renders show the Apple logo centered inside a cutout within the MagSafe ring. It's subtle, but undeniably Apple. As for cameras, we're looking at triple 48MP sensors, ultra-wide, wide, and a periscope telephoto with rumored 8x optical zoom. Color options? Expect bold, modern tones like papaya orange, teal, and even an iridescent finish inspired by iOS 20 SIX's new liquid glass UI. The Pro models also bring vapor chamber cooling, higher brightness OLEDs, and 120Hz promotion across the board, setting a new bar for flagship iPhones. And all of this is powered by the beastly A19 Pro chip. Now to the star of the show, the iPhone 17 Air, Apple's thinnest iPhone ever, coming in at just 5.5 millimeters. That's thinner than the Galaxy S25 Edge and weighs about 145 g. The Air replaces the Plus model, but it's not just a name change. This is a design-first iPhone. It features a 6.6-inch 120Hz display, not promotion, stereo speakers, and exclusive eSIM-only support. No physical SIM tray. The rear camera is a single-lens shooter, dead center at the back, giving it an ultra-clean aesthetic. Inside, it's powered by the A19 chip, not quite pro-level, but ahead of the base model. Leaks suggest a 2,900 mAh battery, but paired with iOS 20 SIX's adaptive power management, it could comfortably last a full day. There's also talk of an optional magnetic battery pack designed specifically for the Air, sold separately, of course. Color-wise, think MacBook Air vibes: light blue, light gold, black, and white. It's sleek, light, and made for users who want sophistication over specs. Strategically, the Air targets the design-conscious, those who want more than the base model but don't need all the Pro features. Finally, the base iPhone 17, it sticks closer to tradition but still gets solid upgrades. The display jumps to 6.3 inches, up from 6.1 inch, and finally adds 120Hz refresh rate. Not quite promotion, but still a massive visual improvement. Inside, we're looking at the A18 chip with 8 GB of RAM. That's a serious upgrade for the standard model. The front camera gets a bump to 24MP, matching selfie quality with the Pro line. Color options are expected to be the most vibrant of the bunch: steel gray, light blue, green, purple, and your usual black and white. According to Reddit and MacRumors, these shades are generating a lot of buzz, especially among users who felt left out by Apple's more muted color trends in recent years. So, when's all this dropping? Apple's iPhone 17 launch event is expected around early September, with pre-orders opening soon after. Here's the bottom line. The Pro models push the boundaries with thermal innovation, camera tech, and fresh design. The Air redefines what a lightweight, stylish iPhone can be. And the base model? It's finally catching up with high refresh displays and more RAM, making it a solid value. So, are you going Pro? Feeling the Air? Or sticking with the base iPhone 17? Drop your thoughts in the comments. This might be the most visually exciting iPhone lineup we've seen in a decade.